Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of Huawei Nova 10 versus Huawei Nova 10 Pro. So let's get start the video. Let's start with dimension. Height. Huawei Nova 10 has 162.1 mm height and Huawei Nova 10 Pro has 163.6 mm height. Width. Huawei Nova 10 has 73.9 mm width and 10 Pro has 74.4 mm width. Thickness. Huawei Nova 10 has 6.8 mm thickness and Nova 10 Pro has 7.8 mm thickness. Weight. Huawei Nova 10 has 168 gram weight and 10 Pro has 190. Let's talk about display. A screen size. Huawei Nova 10 has 6.67 inches a screen size and 10 Pro has 6.78 inches a screen size. Resolution. Huawei Nova 10 has 1080p resolution and 10 Pro has also a 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. Huawei Nova 10 has 20:9 aspect ratio and 10 Pro has also 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Huawei Nova 10 has 437 ppi pixel density and Nova 10 Pro has 450 ppi pixel density. Display type. Huawei Nova 10 has OLED display and 10 Pro is also OLED display. Protection. Huawei Nova 10 has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and Nova 10 Pro has also Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. A screen to body ratio. Nova 10 has 87.9% screen to body ratio and Huawei Nova 10 Pro has 88.3% screen to. Let's talk about camera. Let's start with Huawei Nova 10. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk about Huawei Nova 10 Pro camera. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording feature. Huawei Nova 10 and Huawei Nova 10 Pro, both the phone can record 4K video at 30 fps. Camera selfie. Huawei Nova 10 has 60 megapixel selfie camera and Huawei Nova 10 Pro has 60 megapixel and 8 megapixel front selfie. Let's talk about hardware. Chipset. Huawei Nova 10 has a Snapdragon 778 processor and Nova 10 Pro is also a Snapdragon 778 processor. Hardware CPU. Huawei Nova 10 has 2.4 GHz octa-core and Huawei Nova 10 Pro is also octa-core 2.4 GHz. Hardware GPU. Huawei Nova 10 has Adreno 662 and 10 Pro has also Adreno 662. RAM. Huawei Nova 10 has 8GB 12GB of RAM variant and Huawei Nova 10 Pro has also 8GB 12GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. Huawei Nova 10 has 128 to 56GB internal storage and 10 Pro has also 128 to 56GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro, both the phone doesn't support any card slot. Battery. Huawei Nova 10 has 4000 mAh battery and Huawei Nova 10 Pro has 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. Huawei Nova 10 has 66 watt fast charger and Huawei Nova 10 Pro has 100 watt fast charger. Operating system. Huawei Nova 10 has Android 12 EMUI 12 and Huawei Nova 10 Pro has Android 12 EMUI. Let's talk about both the phone connectivity. Let's start with Huawei Nova 10 connectivity. It supports under display fingerprint, it supports 4G, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or 120Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk Huawei Nova 10 Pro connectivity. It also supports under display fingerprint, 4G network, NFC, 120Hz refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's discuss both the phone price. Huawei Nova 10 come around $27,000 of $344 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage, and Huawei Nova 10 Pro come around $33,000 of $421 of 6GB RAM or storage. Let's talk both the phone result. Design wise, both the phone have similar design. Camera wise, both the phone have camera is same and hardware is also the same on both the phone and connectivity is also the same in both the phone. There is a only difference on charging of 66 watt and 10 Pro has a 100 watt fast charger. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Good luck.